What's up, Unparalleled fam? Back here for another video for you guys. Hope you guys have been doing well. I know it's been a while since our last video, but we got some new content for you guys. I'm gonna head over to my buddy Mario's shop right now. It's called Car Mods in Santa Clara. He's gonna help me install the new item we got. So I'll be back at the shop to show you guys what we're gonna install. Catch you later, buddy. Bye. Bye, buddy. So, well, actually, I'm going to be throwing in a comparison of a side-to-side of the exhausts next to each other, but I actually picked up a MPPSK exhaust. That PSK is short for the M Performance Power and Sound Package. It's actually it's a package that BMW will sell you separately when you pick up an F30. It's actually a half tune, half exhaust. So I actually already have a tune, so I just got the exhaust portion. It's gonna definitely open up the car a lot more. Essentially, it's almost a 3-inch straight pipe all the way back when the valves are open, but I'll show you guys the comparison of the two side by side in a couple minutes. Alright guys, so this is the stock exhaust with a catless downpipe in comfort mode. This is the catless downpipe with the stock exhaust in Sport Plus. So as you guys can tell with the catless downpipe, it already pops a cool amount, but the MPPSK is definitely going to put it over the top in my opinion. Let's give you guys some flybys of the stock exhaust with the downpipe, and then after we install the MPPSK, we will do the flybys and the revs of those.
This is Prodigy.
Alright guys, so Mario's finally finished up with the other cars. We're going to go ahead and put my car on the rack now. Give you guys a shot of it going up. Alright guys, so this is how the stock exhaust is routed. It's just a single pipe the whole way back with 2 resonators. One here, one here. Just goes straight into the back of the muffler here with only one valve on the left side. As you guys can see, the MPPSK actually has 2 valves instead of just the one on the OEM. So if you look at the way it's routed from the back, when the valves open up, it's essentially a straight pipe compared to the OEM where it still feeds through the muffler before exiting through the valve. So this should make the car sound a little beefier. Be back in a little bit. Alright guys, so the exhaust is now completed. Took like 10 minutes to finish it. Fast ass install. Shout out Victor. First startup.
Is that open or closed?
I have the GTS startup door, so it's open and then it closes again.
Oh.
So this is comfort.
Fancy guy. Bro.
Stop! That shit sounds stupid loud.
What the fuck? Yo, that shit sounds kind of wild.
Alright guys, so we just finished the install on the new exhaust and that shit is crazy louder than I thought it was gonna be. It was a super quick install. We did it with like 3 people, so it only took about 10 minutes. But just waiting for the lift is what took a little bit. But I'm super happy with it. It is kind of crazy though, so I might not be using it in Sport or Sport Plus very often while daily driving, but it's definitely worth for an OEM exhaust.